Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my April favorites. Is anybody else like perplexed that it's May? Because where did the first half of the year go? It's literally the 5th month of the year. Let that sink in. The 5th month of the year. Like, I don't know about you, but I kind of feel like this year is like flying by. It also could be because I have so much shit going on that I like am not even like paying attention, and like every time I like look up, it's a new month and I'm like, oh, okay, well, it's a new month, like let's go, right? I'm actually so excited for this video because I have amazing products here. Like, you guys, this month, now I don't know if I've spoken about like one or two of these before on YouTube. I don't think that I have, but let me just say I have so many good, amazing products here to share with you guys. If you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into this month's favorites because there's a lot of goodies here. Let's start out with a product that I have not been able to stop using since I got it. The new Rare Beauty, what are these called? Matte Bouncy Blushes, you guys. It's one of the blushes I have on right now. I'm wearing the shade Hope, and you guys, the consistency, the pigment, the way that these wear on your skin is unlike any blush collection. These are kind of like a hybrid between a cream and a powder. So when you first apply them, they go on like a cream, but then they dry down like a powder. And you guys, these are absolutely insane. These are the 3 shades that I rotate. So we have Happy, Hope, and then Worth. Happy, you guys, is one of my favorite shades. Absolutely obsessed. Worth is for the girls that love like a more of like a warm tone blush, like you're not really going for pinky cheeks. And then I feel like Hope is kind of like in between because it gives you that like mauve pink but still with a lot of warmth. Like, as you guys can see, like my cheeks look insane. So yeah, you guys, every single time I wear these blushes, I am absolutely shocked. They are incredible. So if you haven't tried them yet, you were kind of skeptical if you wanted to get them, let this be your sign that these are an absolute must-have in your collection. Yeah, these Rare Beauty blushes, they really blew my mind. They are absolutely incredible, and I don't feel like there's a blush on the market that is like as unique as them, so I definitely think that they are worth it. Product that I did not think that I would like, because let me just explain. I'm not like a liquid shadow kind of girl. Like, yes, I can get down with like powdered eyeshadow, but when it comes to like a liquid shadow, I'm like, I don't know, like I don't really need it. I feel like it's unnecessary. Let me say one thing. These new liquid shadows from Urban Decay, what are they actually called? They are called the Glazed Liquid Shadow. So this is in their like viral shade Space Cowboy. Now let me tell you, when I first tried the powdered version of Space Cowboy, I was like, this has like no pigment in it. Like, I really don't like care about it. Like, I returned it right away. This, you guys, is the exact opposite. Like, it definitely looks like Space Cowboy, but has a little bit more pigment to it. It's absolutely stunning. And you hear that little shaker in there? That is so that it needs to be shaken to be activated. Why can't I open this? There we go. So this is what the applicator looks like, and this is what the shadow looks like. As you guys can see, it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to insert a picture so you guys can see what it looks like on my lids, because I got so many compliments when I posted that look. Everybody was like, oh my god, your shadow looks great, your shadow looks great. And all I had on my eye was literally this from Urban Decay. If you were kind of like unsure if you wanted to try these, I know that a lot of people have been talking about them, especially on TikTok. You guys, let me tell you, these are absolutely worth your money. They are gorgeous. I'm not one to like really necessarily brag about like high-end mascaras, because I feel like there's so many out there, especially at the drugstore, that you don't necessarily need a higher end mascara. I mean, that's kind of a lie because I do love a lot of high-end mascaras, but this one from Giorgio Armani really blew me away. Now, I am wearing lashes right now, so it's going to be kind of hard to like see, but this is also the mascara that I have on. This is called, they're like Lifter Lash or something. I forget exactly the name of it, but let me just show you the wand. The wand on here is so insane. So this formula is a wet formula, but it's not too wet of a formula. You have a lot of control with this formula, which is one of the reasons why I absolutely love it. And your lashes will definitely stay curled all day. Like, it's not a formula where your lashes are gonna fall throughout the day or your lashes are gonna flake. None of that. Packaging is absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, this formula, I really, really like it. And like I said, that applicator is really where my attention is drawn to, because I just have a lot of control. Like, you can really take your time, and it's not too wet where it's gonna get like all over your eyes. The perfect in between of like a wet slash like drier formula. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's really insane. I'm definitely here for it, and personally I am obsessed with it. I love it. I know it's really expensive. It's Armani, but you guys, if you were looking to splurge in a mascara that's gonna keep your lashes curled all day, gonna give you a lot of pigment, yeah, this gonna be for you. A product that I like didn't really want to buy into the hype of it. I was like, all right, let me just buy this and kind of see like what the hype is about. This is new from Morphe. It's their Cloud Light Setting Powder. Now I got the shade Sunrise because I thought that the other shade would be like too light for me. I did go ahead and pick up this shade, which is the second one in their lineup. So it's like a lighter one, and this one was the second one. And you guys, I just have to say that this I cannot use as like a setting powder because it's too dark for me. So for that, I do have to buy the other one. But as a bronzer topper, you guys, this is incredible. So it is what I have on my forehead right now. So I have my liquid bronzer, my matte powdered bronzer, and then I go in with this, and it adds a beautiful sheen. So it's gonna help. It may not look like it's like bronzy on my finger, but let me tell you, this definitely is bronzy. Like you can't even see it there, but when I apply it on top of my bronzer, it looks absolutely incredible. So I'll apply it on top of my bronzer and then on my cheeks, and it gives a gorgeous glow. So that glow that you see is pretty much this. And you guys, I really, really like this. I haven't had a chance to pick up the lighter shade, but I definitely will be. But yeah, this I feel like everybody is saying is like a dupe for the Hourglass ones, which I honestly can't say that I have tried recently, so I can't really say if that's true or not. But I will say these are absolutely gorgeous. And when I did try it as like a finishing powder slash setting powder, my skin looked incredible, but it did change the color of my foundation. So that is why I use this mainly as like a bronzer topper. And this packaging I think is so cute. It's simple, but I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. Easy to open, really easy to travel with, I'm sure. They have like redeemed themselves, and yeah, I'm into their rebrand. Let's talk about lips. So I wanna talk about the lip combo that I have on. I've spoke about it before, but I wanna talk about the lip liner specifically. So you guys know, I am a cool tone nude lip girly. It's very rare that you will catch me with like a pinky, red, warm tone. Like no. Complexion and features I feel like just call for cool tone. That's what I feel confident in. So I went ahead and picked up the Makeup Forever Extreme Color Pencil in the shade Endless Cacao. So I think I have the original over here somewhere. I don't know. Oh, it's right here. So if you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that I'm absolutely obsessed with my Makeup Forever Endless Cacao lip liner. It's my go-to, it's my favorite, love it. So I was skeptical to buy this one because I was like, are they really gonna be able to make it the same color as this and give it as long of wear time as they're claiming? And let me tell you, they can, and they did, okay? This, you guys, is the lip liner that I have on right now, and let me tell you, this will not budge if you go out drinking, if you eat, whatever. I literally went out with my friend yesterday. I was eating calamari, nachos, I was drinking, and this did not budge. When I came home and I like went to go take my makeup off, I still had the outline of it. So this, let me just tell you, will withstand you eating and drinking and doing all of that. That was my complaint with the original one, is that it didn't really last a long time. Like I felt like it faded really, really quick. This, you will not have any of those problems. So yeah, it has literally been my go-to, and you can just see, I haven't had a chance to sharpen it, that I have been obsessing with it, and this will be taking the place of my original one because it's just that good and so long wearing. Okay, so this is a random favorite, and I don't know if you guys are really gonna understand what I'm trying to say, so I'm gonna try to explain it like the best. This is brand new from Dibs. This is their like plumping lipstick melt in this weird blue shade. So let me explain this to you. I love cool tones. This is a cool tone color. I'm actually gonna try to apply it so you guys can kind of see. Are you gonna be able to tell? No, you can't tell. I like to use this in the morning when I'm like on my way to work. Not only is it going to plump my lips, like this is going to give you a very, very intense and nice plump. Eye shade is so unique, and it's definitely like not gonna be for everybody. Like you can't even like see it when I swatch it. Like you kind of can see it like over there, like the blue hint. But you guys, the way that this plumps my lips is so nice, and it's nice and hydrating and doesn't give you like an overly intense like plump. Like the plump is definitely there, let me say that, but it's not like an uncomfortable type. But I also just think that this shade is so unique, and this is for my girlies that want like that really like muted like nude lip that I would just wear out. Like it's something that I just put on my lips like as I'm running out the door, like to go to work, just to kind of give me like a nice plump. By the time I get there, like I just kind of have like a nice plump with a nice shine. Like, and my lips definitely aren't blue, but when you first apply it, your lips will definitely be blue. So that's what I'm saying. It's like really hard to explain. I'm gonna try to find a picture of me wearing it. I don't think I have one, but I'm gonna try to find one and insert it so I can explain to you guys like what it is. But I just think if you're on the go and you kind of just want something like really, really quick to give you a nice plump, This is really, really nice, and the shade Blueberry Ice I think is just so unique and so fun, so I'm obsessed with her. I understand talking during these videos makes you a little parched, so nothing like a Dr. Pepper Zero to like bring me back to life. This from OGX, you guys, I am so in love with her. This is their brand new Bond Protein Repair. So this is pretty much a leave-in product that's going to repair your hair from the inside out. Also give you 450 degrees of heat protectant, but it's not going to weigh your hair down. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. This, you guys, when I first like tried it, I did a whole video on TikTok, and I think it's on YouTube Short. I'm not 100% sure. But when I combed my hair, I was like, oh, there's not one knot. Oh, like literally my brush just went through my hair like literal butter. I have to say I had one of the bounciest blowouts after. Like I was absolutely shook at how good my hair looked. We're looking for something on a budget that's actually gonna do what it says. So it says it's targeted repair and protection from heat damage for smooth, strong hair without the weight. I think you're really, really going to love this. My hair looks amazing. It's nice and shiny. And for the price point, it's $11.99. It's crazy. It's actually so insane. The drugstore, you guys, is coming for high-end hair care, and I'm low-key here for it because this, yeah, I'm truly, truly obsessed with it. And again, for the price, it's wild. Let me just say, it is no surprise that I'm obsessed with this product from Prequel. This is not that new. It's maybe about 2-3 months old because I'm pretty sure when I first got this, I was still living in my house, which is about 2 months now. So this is new from Prequel. It's their half and half peptide and ceramide fluid moisturizer. So as you can see, it is a liquid moisturizer. I feel like I've spoke about this before on YouTube, but I can't remember if I have. So if I have, I'm sorry. But I just need to like re-talk about it because it is amazing. Perfect for all skin types because if you're oily, this moisturizer is light enough where it's not gonna like emphasize your oils or make you more oily throughout the day. If you are more of a dry skin girly, this really, really does a nice job at night as doubling as like a nice lightweight moisturizer before you go in with your regular moisturizer, if that makes sense. So what I will do is I'll do my regular like serum, then I'll go in with this, and then I'll top it off with my moisturizer. And you guys, my skin is so nice and hydrated. This does not break me out. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. As you can see, I've put a pretty decent dent in it. I just cannot get over how absolutely amazing it is. So let me just explain. This is not to be confused with a milky toner. This is designed to be a step in your skincare routine. Whether you're oily, this is your moisturizer. Whether you're dry, you need like an extra boost of hydration. That is what this is designed for. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. So if you're somebody with dry skin and you really want that extra level of moisturizer, yeah, this, 10 out of 10. Speaking of that extra layer of moisture, this body butter from Salt Air. This is their multi-lipid body butter. This one is in the Santal Bloom. You guys, let me explain one thing to you. This is one of the best body butters out there. Not only does it smell amazing, but this is kind of like the best of both worlds. As you can see, I've put a really big dent in this because I'm obsessed with it. It gives you that nice body butter feel, and it kind of feels like it's a body butter mixed with a body oil without leaving like that weird residue of a body oil. The brand is gonna deliver you something that feels like a body butter and body oil. It's gonna be Salt Air because their body oils are out of this world. I'm not shocked at the fact that their body butter feels like a hybrid between a really nice thick moisture, like body moisturizer and a body oil. Smell amazing. You will be nice and hydrated. Like your skin will thank you. Again, you will literally smell amazing. Like Salt Air when it comes to scents, they really know what they're doing. So yeah, I fear that these from Salt Air are an absolute must-have in everybody's body care routine. Like I love using these morning and night. Like again, you will smell amazing and you will just be so nice and hydrated. I don't know if they retail for $20 or just under $20, but I mean they're Salt Air, so they're really not that expensive of a brand. I have a link down below for you guys with the price if you were interested. But yeah, this, your body and your skin will thank you. Okay, so that completes my April favorites. There were so many amazing products this month. I know it may not have seemed like that many, but you guys, these were like my standout holy grail products in the month of April. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products, if you've seen them kind of like trending and viral all over TikTok, because a lot of these are really, really viral at the moment. That's all I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.